wishes that their child do best, right? As a parent, एक एक दो दो होते हैं, सबके दिन में ख्यालात बदलते रहते हैं। रात को सोचा था डॉक्टर बनाना है, सुबह उठते उठते उसे इंजीनियर बनाना हो गया, फिर अगले दिन उसको आईएएस बनाना पड़ेगा, फिर उसके अगले दिन उसको डिफेंस में भी भेजना पड़ेगा। तो बच्चा एक, तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? अपने उम्मीदों का बोझ उस बच्चे पे लाद रहे हो। ये है प्रेशराइज, ये होता है प्रेशर, ठीक है ना? अब बिना उम्मीद के बच्चों को भेजना शुरू करिए, लेकिन अपना टाइम, अपनी वैल्यूज, ये हर चीज बच्चे को दीजिए, तो you will get surely you will get the results. Don't put the child in the rat race. कोई rat race नहीं है, आप लोग ना चाहते हुए भी बच्चों को उस rat race का हिस्सा बना देते हो। फर्स्ट नहीं आया, उसके कितने नंबर थे? तेरे इतने ही आए हैं? अच्छा नहीं, ये गलत है, गलत नहीं, ये बहुत गलत है। कंपैरिजन, अगर बच्चा आपके लिए कंपेयर करे, उसके पापा के पास तो BMW है और आपके पास ये है, मैं फिर बताओ, ठीक है ना? तो ये सब चीजें हम सिखाते हैं बच्चे को कंपैरिजन करना, और कोई नहीं सिखाता। बच्चे को तो भी पता नहीं होगा कि पिज्जा बर्गर क्या होता है, हम सिखाते हैं। अगर आप सब लोग, एक के कुछ नहीं होगा, अगर आप सब लोग डिसाइड कर लो कि हम टिफिन में सिर्फ होममेड फूड भेजेंगे और हफ्ते में सिर्फ एक दिन ऐसा फूड जाएगा, डिसाइड करके कि फ्राइडे को, जिसमें आप एक चिप्स का पैकेट या कुछ भेजेंगे, तो देखिए आपके बच्चे कैसे नहीं फॉलो करते, कैसे नहीं खाते। इट इज इजी, और जोमैटो में चिल्ड्रन कैन ऑर्डर बाय देमसेल्व्स। किसने सिखाया? हमने सिखाया। किसने पिज्जा बताया? हमने बताया। किसने बर्गर बताया? हमने बताया। सब चीज who has told? We have told. We children, what you know, this child is of 3.5 years. We are introducing all these vices to our child just to pamper, just to compensate our guilt कि हम टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे, तो इसलिए हम इसको either the way compensate कर रहे हैं, right? I hope you are getting my point. Okay, so try to inculcate the feeling of participation in the children, right? Secondly, prepare them for the word no. N-O, no. Always yes should not be there. The child must have the habit of accepting no. ये मिलेगा, नहीं मिलेगा, कब मिलेगा, अभी बाद में मिलेगा। No condition कि आप ये करोगे तो मिलेगा, नहीं, no condition. Conditions applied नहीं है। This is a relationship where conditions should not be applied. No condition applied. Okay, so parenting is the toughest job and no formula given till date, right? So prepare your children for no, celebrate their success and celebrate more their failures, क्योंकि ज़्यादा हमें failures मिलेंगे, तो हमें बच्चे को prepare करना है failures को face करने के लिए। सक्सेस तो सब फेस कर ही लेते हैं, यू आर राइट, एम आई राइट? हाँ, सो वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर आवर चिल्ड्रन फॉर फेसिंग द फेलियर्स। वन इंस्टेंस आई विश टू शेयर विद यू ऑल। Once in a KG class, we are having the smart board, and the teacher started to play the nursery rhymes. One of the child came and said, मैम बिग बॉस लगा दीजिए। केजी चाइल्ड को बिग बॉस, राइट? बेटा बिग बॉस कहाँ से आया? मेरी मम्मी डेली देखती है। गेटिंग माई पॉइंट, राइट? तो We have to once again discipline ourselves. That then only we can discipline the child. आपके हाथ में मोबाइल, आप उसे कहोगे मोबाइल रख दे मोबाइल, पता है आप लोग के काम सब कुछ है, your work is there, everything is there. But when you are with your child, you be with your child. You have to set the boundaries. You have to set the boundaries, clear boundaries. When your child goes back home, right? Give him your full time. TV बंद करिए, मोबाइल हटाइए, सब कुछ करिए, ठीक है? The word that he says to you, listen each and every word clearly. वो आपसे कंप्लेंट भी करेगा, लेकिन कंप्लेंट के टाइम पर ना एकदम उसके सामने रिएक्ट मत करिए. Do not react instantly in front of your child. One instant what happened? The child was sleeping in the class और यहाँ पर उसकी उंगली छप गई, ऐसे, right? Nursery KG children sometimes they sleep, क्योंकि देर तक जागते हैं, routine, right? So sometimes they come and sleep, right? तो क्या हुआ, उसका यहाँ उंगली छप गई और उसको घर जब भेजने लगे तो मम्मी लेने आई, मैम ने मारा होगा तुझे, मैम ने मारा होगा तुझे, right? तो what is there? The child, the parent was putting the words in the mouth of the child कि मैम ने मारा होगा, right? So when you are listening to the child, listen everything, all the complaints, because listening creates trust. Someone is there to listen me. Listening creates trust. So you trust, the child will trust you when you will listen to the child daily. But when he complains anything, listen very carefully, but do not react. अच्छा मैम ने बोला, देखती हूँ मैं भी, अभी फोन करती हूँ स्कूल में. नहीं, स्कूल में फोन करो, स्कूल आओ, टीचर से बात करो, but not in the presence of the child. The child will never trust the teacher. In that case, the child will never ever trust the teacher. और ये जो मैंने स्टार्ट किया था ना, ट्रायंगल का एक आर्म ब्रेक हो जाएगा. तो this all depends how we react, because right in the beginning I told you that trust must be there amongst ourselves. Interaction, cooperation must be there. You come to school, you discuss the issue, whatever is there at length. We are there to solve it. We are there to solve all the issues for you. But do not ever say bad words about the teacher in front of the children. I know grandparents, they usually do it, right? Grandparents, they usually do it, no problem. But as a parent, no, that should not be there, right? Now, one thing more, there are few points that you should note down. Many points as a parent that you should all note down. These children are very small, right? Don't give them fancy haircuts. Don't give them fancy haircut. 1, 2, 3 lines and then coming. No. Please do not give them fancy haircuts. When you're sent girls, proper, neatly tied hair and no fancy hairpins. No fancy. They're coming to school, when they're going to a party, give them. When they're coming to celebrate their birthday in school, then they get dressed up neatly, no problem, right? But when they're coming regularly to the school, no fancy haircuts, no fancy hair and all these things, hairpins, right? Then, proper school uniform, healthy tiffin as I told you, but it is a combined effort. Healthy tiffin sending is the combined effort of every parent. If out of 150, only 2 or 3 parents are sending the healthy tiffin, their purpose also gets defeated. So it is everyone's responsibility. Do you want your child to be weak? Do you want? No. And when they come to school, they eat. They eat with When they sit, they eat with their friends. So send them a fruit, okay? Because sometimes at home they don't eat it. Send them fruit and a healthy food, paratha, sabji, roll it and then send it, because a child is very small to prepare a morsel. And he cannot prepare the bite, the child cannot prepare the bite. But you, what do? You just prepare a roll and send to the child. Okay, so this way the child, and please, again, innovations must be required from your side. Prepare Maggi with palak, healthy food, right? Add lots of vegetables in the food that child eats. Pav bhaji, what you make? Add lots of vegetable, lots of innovations. Both parents, not only mummy, papa can also innovate a new dish for a child which is healthy, right? So healthy food, because healthy mind resides in a healthy body, right? So please send the healthy food to the children, and the importance of regularity, consistent attendance and punctuality. Many of the parents were punctual today. Very good. Clap for yourself. Yes, that's good. So many of you were punctual, some were late, but please, right, press the children properly.